The quagmire that is probate. Let's say you have a simple will. You assume you have all your ducks in a row. Then you pass away. What happens to your family next? In many cases, the deceased person's bank accounts and assets are not accessible. If the person had bills to pay, utilities, the mortgage, a car payment, the funds to pay those bills will come out of the family's pocket. Usually, the person named as personal representative will bear the burden to pay up front and then hope the estate is sufficient enough to repay the money. Next, your family will need to hire an attorney to petition the court to begin the probate process. This is where the timeline gets out of the family's control. Your family will have to wait. How long? That depends. It could take weeks or several months. The key here is to understand that your loved ones will have to wait for the court to act. Your family's expenses will continue to pile up and their attorney fees will accumulate. Things for your family can get very expensive very quickly. Even after the paperwork is filed and you're on the docket for the court, the personal representative must continue to wait to get the judge's attention. The experience in court depends on your state and location. Some courts are solely probate. Others have combined dockets. Your family may arrive at a bustling court to find they will be waiting in a long line as a judge listens to several others before they're ready to appoint the personal representative. From here, the judge and the probate court take over, and your family will lose control. The judge can make decisions or interpret the will at their discretion. Most likely, this judge doesn't know your family personally, yet could be making major decisions regarding your family's future. The court is firmly in control. The probate process is full of tasks that need to be completed before anything can move forward. In the meantime, your family must continue to wait. No inheritance, no assets distributed. They are at the mercy of the court. Waiting is a common theme of probate. It gets worse. This process is all a matter of public record. Your family's financial dealings are available for anyone to see. Once the personal representative has completed the judge's tasks, it's time to petition the court for approval to distribute the assets. Note, this is based on a best-case scenario. If the validity of the will is contested, you may have a costly court battle that could consume the value of the estate. If all goes well and the judge approves the distribution of the estate's assets, then the named beneficiaries can now receive the inheritance. So after a long delay, numerous hassles and inconveniences, the loss of privacy, lack of control, and substantial fees, your family eventually reaches the finish line. But what if this is not your plan? What if there's a better way? What if you could spare your family the additional grief and avoid probate altogether? Can probate be avoided? The simple answer is yes. At Legacy Assurance Plan, we can help you engage in thoughtful estate planning. Your family could avoid the quagmire of probate. Contact Legacy Assurance Plan to find out more. Check out the link below to set up your free, no-obligation consultation today. Both in-home and virtual appointments are available.